In case the screen of your Android device is not responding to the touch or flickering, then let us see some ways by which we can try to troubleshoot this issue. Now, if this issue started to occur once you have applied the screen guard on the top of your Android screen, then what you do is remove the screen guard and check if this fixes the issue. The next thing what you need to do is also the back cover which you put on the Android device, just remove the back cover and check if this will fix the issue. Now, if this issue started to occur for the first time, then what you do is reboot your Android device. For me, I have noted if I have to reboot, I have to just press the power button and wait for few moments, and then I can power off and then again power on again and check if this will fix the issue. Also, what you can do is you can run your Android device in safe mode to check if this is caused by any application which you have installed previously. To run the application in safe mode, what you need to do is you need to at first shut down your Android device and then power on again. And once you power on the Android device and when you see the Samsung logo, you have to press the volume down button to enable the safe mode. Now, this may differ according to the type of device or according to the manufacturer. So let me restart my device in safe mode. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So at first I will shut down my Android device, power off and again power off. Now, once the Note 8 is completely shut down, I will power on the device again. And once I see this logo, I'll just press the volume down button and then I will press the volume down button continuously until the Android device or until my Note 8 starts in safe mode. So let me wait for a few seconds. Now, if you see at the bottom, you can see the safe mode. That means my phone has started in safe mode. And once the phone has started in safe mode, if you see all of the applications which is installed, the third-party application, it will be disabled and only the basic application will run in your Android device. Now, check if you can use the Android device properly or not, or check if the flickering issue or any issue with your device screen is resolved. If the Android device works perfectly in safe mode, that means there is a third-party application which is causing the issue. Now, you may not know which application is causing the issue, so in that case you need to uninstall all of the applications which you have installed and then again reinstall it again to check what is causing the issue. Now, the last option for you is to factory reset the Android device. It will erase all the contents from your Android device and your Android device will go back to the factory mode. But before that, you need to back up your Android device so that you can restore it later on. If you want to back up the Android device, you will go to settings here, you will go to general management and there is an option here, backup and restore. You will select it and then select backup data. This will load all of the data, and then if you want to backup, you have to select backup. So now my Android device is being backed up. So once you finish backing up the Android device, then you can factory reset your Android device. So to factory reset the Android device, you will go back again to the general management, then you will go to the reset and then you will select factory data reset. Now you can see what things will be removed from your Android device: all the Google account, all the apps we have downloaded and installed, all the musics and pictures, all of them will be deleted. So if you want to factory reset, you will select reset, and once the Android device is reset, you can again restore it and check if this will fix the issue of your screen not responding or flickering. If still this does not fix this issue, that means you have a problem with the screen only. Then in that case, you need to take the device to the technician and consider replacing the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.